We will now show how to repair the bolts for the SCAR L from Double Bell. Use an appropriately sized Allen key to remove the rear body screws. So 1 and 2. Second one is the top behind the rear sight. And the third one. Once the third one is removed, the stock and the main body separates. Be aware of the wire going into the rear stock. Push the bolt backwards and unscrew the bolt itself. You may need to change the Allen key to a 3.0. Yep. The original Allen key for the body pins are 2.5 for reference. So once the charging handle is removed, you can slide out the bolt assembly, which is a mock bolt assembly, by the way. It is by default taped because it is a non-functioning bolt. It's just a plate to simulate the bolt racking feature, and that's about it. If the tape is teared or broken, you just need to retape it again, and that should be it. Once it's done, just put everything back in reverse and you should be good to go. Thank you.